What's good, family? It's your boy Marathon, and I want to say happy Valentine's Day to all you out there that's getting ready to have dinner with your loved ones and enjoying a great day of Valentine's Day with your significant other. Look, I'm coming today to talk about these stocks. Now, granted, tomorrow, hey, the market is closed. So I know you guys are ready to make some money Monday. Got a little tongue twist right there. But Tuesday is the day where we get back in the game. It's game time. Yo, if you don't have a stock portfolio, you can check out Webull or Robinhood. Both those links will be in the comment sections below. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. All right, family. So my portfolio is sitting at $121,864.46. Yo, GNOG has been kicking my behind with this manipulation it's getting. It's pulling warrants still, but any moment between now and February the 8th, definitely February the 8th, we should see something. If it doesn't, after February the 8th, I might consider a pivot because that squeeze has been taking me, but it's like roughly a month now, a month and a half. Now APXT is going through the same thing, Excel Fleet is going through the same thing, but APXT has yet to merge. But that's gonna be a bigger merger. And you know how we're gonna play these mergers. The same way we did INAQ, we let it run up, we get in. We sell on the run up, then get out. And it's gonna probably be, INAQ's probably not gonna move either, but we yet to see because we still have some down days. So let's get right into these stocks that I want you to look at for this week and how we're gonna make money this week. All right, so the first play I want you all to look at is Torchlight. So Torchlight Energies is a energy stock, but it's also a penny stock. Look at it, had a great run up of 26% last week, and then went up another 17% after hours. I still think this has room to run. So we're gonna take a look at this pre-market Tuesday morning, not Monday, Tuesday morning, and then we're gonna try to get in. What's a good get-in point? I don't know because this thing's ran up. Maybe we can get in around, let's say, 320. That would be ideal. But with these run-ups, sometimes you don't catch it perfect. But it can run up another 15, 20%. You know, on these type of plays, once you get out 20%, we want to get up out that bad boy and rinse and repeat. But Torchlight is the first one I want you to look at. Okay, the second one I want you to look at is ZOM. Now I say ZOM to double. So 250 is a great buy zone for medica. This is a $5 stock, I believe. And so if you get this Monday morning at 256, maybe a little bit above, it's still fine. Remember, I expect this thing to double. So medica is one of my double up stocks. I might even buy more of this. I have some skin in the game. 11,000, average cost is 273. So 256 is a great buy for me to average my costs down. All right, so the next one, Genius Brands. All right, so Genius Brands is at $1.98. This is a great buy for Genius Brands. Let's look at this week. Before the Thursday crash, if you will, it was at $2.19. So that's up like 11% from where it would have been. And so, yeah, I think this is going to be pretty volatile until it gets to the fives, just like any other penny stock. So I think this can do some running up. Now, these plays I'm giving you, if they go down 10, 15% from where you buy it, I think get out and then see where it's going to level out, and then you can hop back in. You don't want to lose too much money playing with these penny stocks. SMDL is still considered a penny stock, but I like marijuana stocks for the future. That's why I speak on SMDL with high praise, if you will. But I still wouldn't chase it. But I do believe if we come into next week on Tuesday with some green days, you're going to see SMDL start going back towards the threes and then the fours. I had it to touch $5 maybe by back end of April. That's a double up though. So look at it that way when you look at these penny stocks. Sometimes they're going to fluctuate and hit highs, and you can sell them and then rinse and repeat and double your money. Now, a stock that's not a penny stock that I want you all to look at is Tesla. Now, Tesla's extremely volatile, but Tesla's known to hit the high 800s and go back down to the 7s. Put this on your watch list. If this thing goes back down to the 7s, I want you to hop in. I'm gonna hop in. I want you to consider hopping. I can't tell you that legally to hop in, but I want you to consider hopping in and ride this bad boy up. So even at $817, let's say this thing goes up to $878. That's a $61 swing. That's some quick gains. You know, you can do that over and over with Tesla. Tesla has yet to hit a smash through 900 again. Just keep testing it, but it has support around, let's see, it's called support around almost 850, 845, and so it might keep doing that, bouncing from like 780 to 845 for a little minute until it reaches 900. You just never know with Tesla. And you can also do the same thing with CCIB. It's extremely volatile. So look for some dips on CCIB. Let's take a look at CCIB real quick. CCIB, wow, it's almost at 40. So CCIB, let's hope for a dip. I should have got in when it was at 28, but if CCIB dips down to like 28 or even 32, hey, I'm in there. I'm in there. So look for things like this because CCIB is very volatile as well. It does the same thing that Tesla does. And this is going to be a highly publicized spec going into the March and April. All right, but that's it. That's all I got for you for this week. For these days, let's take a look at those 4 stocks. And if you have any questions, just hit me up in the chat. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. I'll holler at you later. See you in the chat. Peace.